What is going on, guys? It's Austin here with Moon Trades. If you guys are new to my channel and you're just tuning in, I make content about the stock market and how to trade without indicators and how to be consistently profitable. So look at your overall chart, right? AMD, for example, AMD's overall pattern is up. It does not mean that when it touches this line, it keeps going up, right? It does not mean to buy on this trend line. What this means is now when it's touching this trend line, which you were looking out for, which it kind of follows with SPY, right? Well, we just discussed yesterday, it broke its previous high. So it's growing. Therefore, it was a valid bounce. You can validate this bounce because it broke a high, right? So now what we're looking out for now is for it to be in a good deal area. Where would the good deal area be? That would be in this area where it previously resisted. So now we're going to be looking to enter at 27.72, and basically you want the odds to be in your favor to be consistent. You want to sell at your previous resistance, right? So, and what I mean by this, guys, this is really mentally challenging, and I'm not kidding. I go through it every day. Like, think about Friday. I cut a $1,900 profit in about 30 minutes, right? But look where I sold. Let's go look at SPY and look where I sold on Friday. We go over, look at this huge margin of profit I missed out on, you know? But it's all a mind game. I cut a profit, guys. I posted on Instagram in my story before it even happened. I posted around, like, it was like 11:30 or 11:30. Yeah, no, it was like 11:15. Whenever I said, hey, look out for SPY, it's retesting this high, I was like, hey, I'm looking for an entry. It just broke highs. When this happened right here, this little bitty area happened, I was looking for an entry. It came back down for a good deal. I didn't buy there. Let it go up. And I was like, okay, that was a pretty high push, a retest. It came back down for a good deal. And I was like, I'm buying. I'm just going to buy in. Took the risk. Set my stop loss below 282.48 just for the safety. It pushed up. And then I started adding to my position. And this thing just started pushing. And I sold here because it was a previous resistance. How to be consistently profitable. There is the number one thing that you need to do is sell at your previous resistance, right? I sold at my previous resistance. I could have bought back in and let it ride back up, but I didn't. And of course, I would have sold here again. And it consolidated a lot, pushed up above it, came down and for a good deal and bounced. Be consistently profitable, guys, by selling at your previous resistance just for the safety and just for the heck of it. You can always buy back in. You can always swing trade it. You can do what you like. But I'm just letting you guys know, in my opinion, to stay consistent is to sell at its previous resistance because it can always reject at that resistance. It can always pass through it as well. No emotions. When I sold and I lost a big margin of profit, like I sold for a huge profit, it was $1,900 bucks. But I lost out on a huge margin of profit. It didn't get to me. It didn't. You gotta take your emotions out of it. Don't rush things, guys. Grow your account. Grow it, grow it, grow it. You know, that is all you need to do. And I hope that you guys that are new to this YouTube channel will subscribe and turn on that bell notification. I upload content like this every single day, and I teach you guys 100% how to trade the stock market with zero fluff. I kid you not. Take a notepad and go over my videos because it will change your life, okay? I promise you, there is no catch to any of this. Trust me, watch my videos. You guys have a blessed day. See ya.